My name is Shobhit Shah. Welcome to our YouTube channel Helm of Science. The ICSE Class 10 exam will start on 8 May. Fine. So we have more than we have 1 month, 10 days or 15 days. In that situation, we have not enough time to solve every or each question present in book. Or it may be RS Agarwal, it may be MN Agarwal. So what we have to do now? We have to do solve most of the important question that came in our previous years. So if we will solve the previous year question, that will help you or that will help us to build a concept to solve the previous or every ICSE boards types of problem. Fine. So from the today, I am going to start in each lecture one chapter. Suppose today I will be discussing about the last 5 to 4 years question of the trigonometry. So these 4 or 5 or 6 questions that came in previous year will help to solve another problems based on trigonometry. Next day I will solve maybe ratio and proportion, or maybe quadratic equation, or maybe another chapter. So by day or my upcoming video of mathematics is based on the previous year solve of the ICSE class 10. That series of previous year question solving series is a very important. If you just see my video that I am doing, you get 40 to 50 marks minimum. Or if you solve previous year question and the most important question that present in our book, we will get 90% marks sure shot. Okay, so stay tuned with us and listen and carefully make a note on my different types of math and practice it very carefully. So today's my topic is previous year question of trigonometry. So my first problem came in 2019. What is the question? Cosec theta in bracket cosec theta minus sin theta in bracket sec theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. Now look very carefully in each bracket. We know sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, and tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. Fine. Now look at very carefully. In each bracket there is a term present. Which are exactly reciprocal of these or other terms. What does it means? Here cos theta is present. Now cos theta is reciprocal of sin theta. There is a sec theta. Now sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. And there is a cot theta, that is the reciprocal of tan theta. Fine. So in each first bracket they provide me a sin theta and the reciprocal of other value. So now we have to convert into this bracket with one term. That means, what does it means? Suppose here they give me or they provide me cosec theta. So I write here sin theta. This formula will help us to solve the problem. Fine. 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. Okay. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, and tan theta plus 1 by cot theta. Okay, fine. This is my first line. Now I am removing it. Next. Now what? Now we have to do LCM. LCM is sin theta. Okay, sin theta divided by sin theta is 1. So 1. Now here is 1 sin theta divided by 1 is sin theta. So sin theta into sin theta. Fine. Bracket in bracket. Then next bracket LCM is cos theta. Okay, so 1 minus cos theta into cos theta, that means cos square theta. And lastly tan theta. Fine. Okay, tan theta plus 1 by cot theta. Now I am changing the when 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta by 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Now here I have to do another thing. We have to change the tan theta and cot theta into the terms of sin theta and cos theta. Okay, fine. Now I am converting tan theta and cot theta by sin theta and cos theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta means 1 by cot theta means 1 by cos theta by sin theta. Okay. Sorry, there is a problem. I have made a mistake. Sorry. Tan theta plus cot theta, tan theta plus cot theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Okay, fine. Now sin theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta and cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Fine. Now put this value. 1 minus sin square theta means 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta by sin theta. Fine. Into 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta by cos theta. 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta by sin theta, and 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta by cos theta, and take it LCM. Cos theta sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta, cos theta sin theta divided by cos theta, that means sin theta into sin theta equal to sin square theta. Okay, sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta is cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta equal to cos square theta. Fine. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta by sin theta into sin square theta by cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. Fine. So now cos theta, sin theta, cos theta, sin theta, all are eliminated. So we get 1. Every term in this line will cancel. So we get 1, that hence we moved. This is a method. The method is the bracket gives the reciprocal term of each other, and then I convert every term into sin theta and cos theta. Then I use sin square theta plus cos square theta in this formula, and we get our desired proved product. So my next problem came in 2018. What is that? Root under sec square theta plus cosec square theta equal to tan theta plus cot theta. Listen very carefully. Sec theta and cosec theta converted some tan theta and cot theta. Okay, so we have to choose the relationship between sec theta, tan theta and cosec theta cos theta. What is it? We know that sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, and cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Fine. So by this way, this sec theta and cosec theta converted into tan theta and con theta, which is our desirable product or proof material. Now I substitute the sec square theta and cosec square theta by this and this one. Okay, fine. Sec square theta means 1 plus tan square theta plus cosec square theta means 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, fine. Now what happened? 1 plus 1 become 2. 2 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Fine. Now listen very carefully. 2, we get 2 plus tan square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, fine. We get 2 plus tan square theta plus cos square theta. Listen very carefully. Now, what is the product of value of tan theta into cot theta? Pause the video and try to solve this part only. Tan theta into cot theta. I will give 5 seconds. Okay, now I am doing this. Tan theta into cot theta. What is the relation between tan theta and cot theta? Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta or cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. So I put the value of cot theta by 1 by tan theta. Okay. So that become 1. So what it come? Tan theta into cot theta. Tan theta into cot theta value is 1. Now listen very carefully. Okay. In this situation, in that case, I can write 2 into 1, that becomes 2, and tan theta square plus cot square theta. Okay. Now, in the value of 1, I can substitute this value. In the value of 1, I can substitute this value because we need a formula. After few seconds, you understand why I am doing this one. Why I am replacing 1 by tan theta and into cot theta by 1. Okay, fine. In the place of 1, I write here tan theta into cot theta. Okay, plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Try to find something in this terms. Try to find something in this term. You try to connect this term. Try to connect this term with some formula. Can you get it? Do you get it? The formula? Now that is why I told you lot of times that expansion formula is very important. Now listen very carefully. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Now listen very carefully. What is the value a square? That is tan square theta. What is b square? Cot square theta. And what is 2ab? That is 2. A is tan theta, b is cos theta. That is nothing but this expression. Sorry for the interruption. So now this expression is nothing but a plus b whole square. So I can write root under tan theta plus cot theta whole square, right? And the square is removing by square root, so we get tan theta plus cot theta. Proved. This is a very important problem that came in 2018. Write it down. Understand very carefully this step. This step is the key step of this problem. This step 2 into 1. 1 is replaced by tan theta into cot theta. Okay, fine. Write it down, and I am going to the next problem. So my next problem that also came in 2018. What is this? It may be 2, I think. Just wait a minute. Yeah, that is equal to 2. Fine. Now listen very carefully. First term included 1 plus cos theta minus cosec theta. So we have to change each term by one single term. We have to convert. So I have to convert it. Cos theta means cos theta by sin theta. Okay, and cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. And this one 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. Fine. Now 1 plus cos theta by sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Now we have to do LCM. What is the value of LCM? That is sin theta. Okay. Now 1 into sin theta is sin theta. Sin theta divided by sin theta divided by sin theta dash is equal to 1, and sin theta divided by sin theta dash become also 1. Fine. Here also 1 plus sin theta, that means LCM is should be cos theta. 1 cos theta divided by 1 is cos theta, plus cos theta divided by cos theta is sin theta. Cos theta divided by cos theta is 1, so it becomes sin theta, and that is also plus 1. Okay. Now sin theta into cos theta, I remove it from here. Okay, sin theta into cos theta, 1 by in bracket sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay, and sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. Can you able to see some expansion formula in these two expression? Look very carefully. That is why I again repeat, expansion is very important. Expansion is very important. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Here, what is the term a? That is the a. And what is the term b? That is the b. That is a minus b, and it is a plus b. Do you get it my point? That is nothing but a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So 1 by sin theta into cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square. Okay, a square minus b square, so 1 minus sin theta into cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta minus 1. Now sin theta cos theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, this is 1, so I am removing this value by 1. Okay, this one cancel. 2 sin theta is into cos theta is remaining, so 2 into sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, sin theta into cos theta cancel out theta, we get 2. Hence proved. Okay, this is a very important problem. So my next problem is came in 2017, that is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay. Now first what should I do? Here power of sin theta is 1, so I can take sin theta as common. If I take sin theta common, what is the remaining in the bracket? That is 1 and 2 sin square theta. Okay. 2, if I take cos theta common, here we get 2 cos square theta. So now we have sin theta by cos theta. Now listen very carefully. Here the term is sin square theta and here the term is cos square theta. So I have to change a one term by just one term, same term. So we replace sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Fine. Sin theta by cos theta. Okay. 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square theta by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So we get 2 cos square theta minus 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. This cancel each other, so sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Proved. So this is our next problem. What is this? Cos A by 1 plus came in 2016. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus tan A equal to sec A. So we first convert tan A by sin A by cos A. Are you right? Okay. Now we take LCM. 1 plus sin A into cos A. So what do you get? Cos A into cos A plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now cos square A plus sin A plus sin square A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay. Now cos square A plus sin square A plus sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay. Now 1 sin square theta plus cos square A equal to 1. Into 1 by cos A. Now 1 plus sin A by 1 by sin A equal to 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A equal to sec A. Proved. Okay, fine. This is a 3-marker question. This is a very easy question. Write it down properly, and I am removing it. So my next problem came in 2013. Here they provide us root under 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A, and they want a sin A in numerator. So we have to get 1 minus cos A to sin A. Okay, so we have to do convert into some sign. So what we do, we multiply and divide it by both numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos A. Fine. 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. Fine. Now listen very carefully. This is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. A plus B into A minus B. So it becomes A square minus B square. So A plus B into A minus B. So it is 1 minus cos square A by 1 plus cos A whole square. Okay. Now sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. 1 minus cos square A equal to sin square A. Okay. So I replace it by sin square A by 1 plus cos A whole square. Okay. So we removing the square root, we get sin A by 1 plus cos A. So I solved 7 years problem or 8 year problems. So 2020 trigonometry is homework for all of you. Try it yourself. If there is a problem, ask me in the comment section. I will solve you for you. So stay tuned us, keep practicing, and I am coming with my next previous year solved video. Thank you.